Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Tweety Bird. So let's get started. To draw a cute Tweety, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here and go up nice and high. Kind of like as if you're drawing an oval. So I'm going to go up and I'm just going to try to slant it a little bit more towards the left. And about right here, I'll bring it down and back. And then right at the bottom right here, I'm just going to lightly draw a curve. There. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. So we're just going to drag this point across about right here, nice and close. And we're going to do the same thing. So nice and high, just like the other side. Then come down. And once again, just bottom right here, just a soft curve for the cheeks. So now that I have these two shapes in, I'm going to come inside and we're going to draw another one but shorter, so maybe about right here. And then another one right inside. And then I'm going to see if this makes sense. I'm going to add a little highlight right there and then shade this all in. If it doesn't, I'll just shade it all in later when I color it. And then this part is going to be blue when you color it. So same thing here. There. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Then from there, let's draw the lashes. So I'm going to come to the top right here. We're going to draw 3 curves. So start by right here, go up nice and high, and then another one even longer, and one more, a little bit shorter. There. And so same thing here. One, the one long one, and another one. And then let's come about right here over each eye and just draw a curve. There. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the beak. So in between the eyes, about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve, nice high curve, and then bottom. And in the center right here, we're just going to draw a slight curve down. And then on the sides, very lightly, I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. There. Okay, so now that we have that, you know what, let's come back here and we'll just stick in these lashes up. That way we can differentiate that curve from these lines a little bit better. There. Make it extra pretty. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're just imagining this is coming through. So we're going to draw the cheeks. So we're just going to skip a little bit of space and say about right here. And let's go ahead and just draw a nice round curve around the mouth. So same thing here. Just imagine this is coming through. Skip a little bit of space. And once again, we're just going to draw a curve. And then we're going to bring this down to about right here where the mouth is. And then we're going to curve it in for the neck. So same thing here. And then curve it in. There. And then we need to draw this big round head, right? So let's come back to say about right here on both sides. And we're just going to go out following this, the eye shape kind of. Let's go up. So it's going to be the widest about right there. So same thing on this side. And around the eye. And then let's go around. And nice and high up. So towards the center. So about right there. And then same thing, let's come right back down. And definitely fix your curve because it is a big one if you need to. Okay, so now that we have the big head shape in, so I'll make this part a little bit rounder now that I'm looking at my camera. Just pop this part out so it matches that side a little bit better. Okay, and now we have some hairs we need to draw. So let's say about right here in the center, I'm just gonna pop one out and then two more. Right here, one and then another one. So cute, right? Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're gonna bring this down the neck and then we're going to pop it out. And then come down a little bit more and we're just going to draw this cute little body by rounding it off. Just try to simplify it as much as possible. And connect. There. And then we can come back, find your center. So about right here. And we're just going to draw these two little notches, I guess you call it, for the feet, for where the legs are going to start. Draw these little curves and then we can pop in these cute, very big feet. There, so we're going to bring this down lower and then here we're going to go up and out. So nice and big. So say about right here, we're going to curve in. And one more curve. Kind of reminds me of a heart and then just go ahead and bring it back in. There. And so same thing on the other side. Just gonna curve it slightly. And right here. And then once again, we're just gonna go out. And I'm just gonna drag this across so that I'm approximately the same as the other side. So nice and high, about right there. And about the same length, approximate. And right here and connect. There. Okay, and then last is the wings right here. So I'm just going to make it really simple with Tweety Bird's hands behind his back. So right about here where the shoulder area would be, I'm just going to pop in this curve and tuck it in. That way we can make it a lot simpler to draw and still make it cute. And then of course we have this little tail right about here and just pop it in. There. And that is pretty much it, except you know what, I'm just gonna put a small little heart right here so that you know this is a Draw So Cute Tweety Bird. I really hope I helped you draw them fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.